Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you the on-registration options available for SmartEngage and how to enable it for your timeline. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once you're already logged in, we'll have to open the timeline we want to enable SmartEngage for. And once that is open, just click on the integration section of the timeline. Look for Smart Engage. You'll see here that it's currently not active or enabled. So to activate it or enable it, just toggle the switch. And then the gear icon for the integration settings will become available. So just click on that. And we'll have the integration settings window for Smart Engage open. So before you can see all the on registration options for Smart Engage, you first have to select an account avatar. So let's do that first. All right. So since we already created an avatar, as you can see, there are two on registration options we can do with Smart Engage. So we can add to sequence on registration and we can also add tag on registration. For the purposes of this video, we will be enabling both. So just put a check mark or tick the box right beside these options. So for add to sequence on registration, we have to select the sequence we want registrants added to. And for add tag on registration, we'll have to select the tag we want registrants to be added to. All right. So once you're satisfied, don't forget to click on update settings at the bottom to save your changes. But before we do that, I would just like to discuss about custom fields and personalization. This is also where you can enable them. So for example, I want to send the join URL and replay URL to Smart Engage. What I'll do is I'll just have to tick the boxes and make sure that I have the correct values here. So once you tick the boxes for these custom fields, AEvent will be sending the data to Smart Engage. So again, once you're satisfied with the changes, click on Update Settings at the bottom. And that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.